Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And this situation will help us answer a very logical question. That question revolving around the fact that today the price made a very nice movement when you consider where it was at its lows on Monday, and then all of a sudden where the price is right now. That's been a very nice move, which brings about a valid question of, okay, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement, or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce? And I have no idea, but by using a little bit of common sense in the chart here, we can make mapping out that question quite straightforward. And the common sense comes about assuming we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, well, the price is going to progress forward, right? The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $3, which brings about our first update. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why so? Well, if the price were to go down to 3 and then just continue on down through there, from a very literal perspective, what would that be doing? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was inside of that channel. And again, quote unquote, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price went down, however, in this situation, behaved like that, and then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote progress being defined as that $3 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, as of right now, it's all about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, and that's just a famous level within the world of charts. So not shocking at all to see the price now struggling with that area right there. So keep a close eye on that. Although all in all, key level going forward in my mind is that $3 mark, because right now it's not necessarily all about breaking levels of resistance, more so just go through some healthy consolidations and chip away higher bases. So let's see if the price can stay up above 3 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.